Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour of a new plaza that just opened on Red Hills Road. We are on Red Hills Road heading towards Washington Boulevard. On the left is Lee's Food Fair, a supermarket, and on the right is Burger King. So we're heading down to take a tour of the new plaza now. The plaza is practically in front of Calabar High School. So this is the entrance to the plaza on the left now. You can see there's a Juicy Patties over there. Hopefully they have a supermarket, as you know the formula for a successful plaza. Okay, now straight ahead, that part of the plaza is a call center. So it's welcome to 76 RHR. So that's the Sutherland call center straight ahead. 76 Red Hills Road, that's what RHR stands for. I notice a lot of the plazas are using the address as their name, which is fine. It's just a trend that's going on now. Okay, so they have Maxi department store on the left. They look like they have a food court straight ahead. Okay, I see two Scotia ATMs, two different spots. So that's Juicy Patties straight ahead. I don't see any supermarket. Okay. So that building straight ahead, that's a call center, Sutherland call center. That building there that we're looking at now. We're gonna turn the camera so you can see it. Maxi now open. This plaza park, we did a tour when it was under construction, probably a month or two ago. So this plaza recently opened, or maybe it was 3 months ago, but it recently opened. Okay, it's Scotia ATMs. Oh, look, they have something here for the electronic vehicle system where you can charge your car electronically. Okay, so over here is just parking for the call center. Alright, so it does not have a supermarket in it. It's just a regular plaza. The reason why we wanted to see if there was a supermarket is we have a simple formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Once you need one, build it in a populated area. This is a populated area. You also need food stores, but you also need a major supermarket to draw in the crowd. So that's why we were looking to see if they had a supermarket, but they don't have any. But nonetheless, it's a very nice plaza, and we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on with it. But this is a huge building for the call center. Huge. Let's take another look at it. call centers in Jamaica seem to do very well. There you can see the size of the building, and that's the Sutherland call center. 3 floors. But you like to see the development going on in Jamaica. I'm not sure what was here before, but you can love to see the progress. This call center, I'm sure, will hire thousands of people. Alright, so we're heading back out to Red Hills Road now. Alright, so straight ahead, we stay on Red Hills Road. If we turn left here, we now go on to Washington Boulevard and head towards Dunrobin Avenue. And if we went further down and turned right, we would take Washington Boulevard down to Mandela Highway. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.